My name is Crew Manager James from Station 12 Porth. I'm here today to submit petitions in order to keep Porth Fire Station open. In the recent fire cover review, it has been decided that possibly Porth or Pontypridd may unfortunately be shut in. We've got the community involved as much as we possibly can, and they've been totally committed and behind us every step of the way. We've gathered a lot of petitions online, written petition, written letters. We've also made our way up to Parliament, which was yesterday, which went very well. We met up with Mr. Chris Bryant, and today we've met up with Mr. Leighton Andrews to submit our permits to try and keep our station in Porth open. We're asking the petition committee to basically read and understand the petitions that we've put forward, gather them and submit them, and hopefully step on board with regards to fighting the cause, with regards to keeping the station open. We're trying our best at the moment to gather as much online work as we can. We've got a SurveyMonkey sort of petition scheme that we've set up, which has been very successful, but the amount of support that we've had locally from the community, which essentially it may be a community decision at the end of the day. The community may decide whether it's the station in Porth that needs to stay open, dependent on the risk categories, dependent on the turnout schemes and so on. So this is literally every step that we're trying to cover, every box we're trying to tick and get everything in place in order to fight as best we can.